Hello, I'm Chris Swaffer. In Studio One 5.0, we're introducing some great features to make composing and creating in Studio One even better. And here are 3 of the most requested features from composers, all included in version 5.0. Brand new for Studio One's editor is the score view. You can now enter, edit and view notes in standard musical notation. It is a rolling continuous view, just like the other editor views. It has its own link cursor and automatically scrolls in playback. If you want a broader view, just attach the window. Now you can edit with the score view and the piano roll view at exactly the same time, side by side. You can pin it even into another screen. You can even use the score view with Studio One's scratch pads. Now there's a safe place to put your scribbled ideas and notes and try them out. Included in the score view is a compact set of musical symbols, all of which affect playback. If you like what you hear, then it's a breeze copying, pasting, manipulating, or duplicating. You can even duplicate to another position in the measure, and Studio One will split and redraw your durations around the bar line. Entering notes is easy. You can select with the mouse the duration and click the notes directly into the score. Or hook up a MIDI keyboard for the speediest input in step time mode. Time and key signature changes are handled from the global signature track and reflected automatically in the score. Once you are done, you can print. In version 5.1 and later, there are now 2 new page views, one for a full score and one for a part. Next to that is the print icon. This brings up the system print dialog whether you are on Mac or Windows, where you can send to a printer or save as PDF. In the Layout tab is where you can set up your page, including page size, orientation, margins, text font and size, as well as multi-measure rest options for your parts. In the Track tab, you can set instrument name and abbreviation, staff type, and transposition. If you're not sure on transposition, you can just apply one of our staff presets, which will set everything up automatically for you, so you can print and hand out your parts with confidence. You can also elect to use guitar tablature, either by itself or mirrored with a standard notation staff. Notes can be entered on either with fret numbers entered with number keys. Numbers can be dragged to different strings, and the fret number will adjust accordingly. Different instrument tunings can be selected too. For drums, Studio One has an intuitive drum mapping editor to ensure that your instrument can play back, all with the correct notation. Studio One can automatically assign your drum notes, note heads and voices based on any MIDI events and existing track names. Or you can quickly make and edit your own by making a selection in the preview window. Presets can be saved and recalled, and a general MIDI preset is included. Speaking of voices, you can write in up to 4 voices per staff. Just select from the drop-down and get writing. If you wish to switch voices after you've written them, make a selection and then send to an alternative voice. Stem direction is handled automatically depending on the number of voices present. Studio One's notation rules have been inherited from its sister notation software, Notion. All of Notion's notation rules are applied automatically, from note spacing to beaming and stem length to articulation, and of course, its clear notation font. all of which give Studio One's score view a clean and readable result out of the box. And of course, if you have Notion as well, you can send it your notation and other document info from Studio One, straight to Notion on the same computer or to anywhere on your network, with just a couple of clicks. That's a quick overview of some of Studio One's new features for composers. Thanks for watching.